back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Now for today's video, we're gonna dive straight into the world of hacks because Shadi season for 2025 is here, and you know weddings and especially Indian weddings can get really chaotic. So having some hacks that are gonna make your life easier and simpler are a must-have during wedding season, especially if you're a bride-to-be or if you have a lot of weddings to attend. Now I have partnered with Unilever Beauty and Wellbeing for this video to showcase some of my favorite products from them that are not only great in their own intended ways of use, but they can multitask beautifully, and you will see that in this video. So if you want to know some amazing hacks that will make your Shadi season go very smoothly, then please keep on watching. Now let's start off with some hair hacks because honestly speaking, hairstyling is a huge part of looking put together, especially during important functions like weddings. And if your hairstyling skill set is like mine, which is absolutely zero, then these are gonna be a lifesaver for you. Now for hack number one, I have an application method and not really a hack into hairstyling, but this application technique is going to change your life. And for this, I have the Tresemmé Gloss Ultimate Hair Serum. Now I absolutely love this serum and I've talked about this on my videos and also over on my Instagram because this is a lightweight serum that does not weigh your hair down but adds just the right amount of glossiness and shine back to your hair, especially if you have dry hair like mine that can look lifeless very easily. But even with hair type like mine, if you do not have a proper type of application, it can look very uneven, and that's not what we are going for. So this hack will literally change your life. All you need for this is a white tooth comb, and then you need to take a couple of pumps of the serum onto your hand and then spread the serum directly onto the comb. Just massage it in very nicely, and then you just want to comb out your hair with this pre-serum comb that will give you the most even serum application your hair has ever seen. Now if you are anything like me, then slick back hairstyles are your go-to for any function out there. They're easy to do and easy to maintain. Do I need to say anything more? I don't think so. And if you're looking for the best product to get that slick back look, then you have to try out the Dove 10-in-1 hair mask. And I already love this mask for what it is. It's a beautiful, rich, textured hair mask that you are ideally supposed to use after shampoo on wet hair to nourish and moisturize your hair. But I also love to use this as a styling cream. Once I'm done doing my hairstyle, I take a little bit of this up and tame my hair down, and all of the flyaways say bye-bye instantly. It doesn't make my hair crunchy like a wax would do, neither does it give me a white cast like a gel would do, plus my hair feels very moisturized after using this. So I think it's a win-win situation, but I would suggest you do not keep this in for way too long and wash your hair the next day. If you have ever gotten your hair professionally done, especially a fancy updo, then you know the amount of back combing it takes to get to that hairstyle and the headache that follows to untangle that back combing out. So we're going to be making a very simple detangler that will make sure your combing out journey is not a mess, you don't lose a lot of hair, and it's very easy to do as well. And for this, all you're going to need is the Dove 10-in-1 hair mask and Tresemmé Gloss Ultimate Serum. So we're going to put one part of the mask in one part of the serum in 4 parts of water, and then you just want to mix it up really nicely to get to a nice mixture. Then just transfer this mixture into a spray bottle and spray it in whichever area you think has a lot of tangles in there. Once you're done spraying this detangler, just use a white tooth comb to brush out your hair, and you will see how easy it is to untangle your hair. And this will also add a lot of moisture back to your hair, but please make sure to shampoo this out. Those were all of the hair hacks I had for you, and now let's move on to a very essential skincare hack because we all have heard it. Skin prep is the key to great looking makeup, and if you want your makeup to shine bright this wedding season, then you need to try out the skin prep hack. And for this, all you're going to need is the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. Now again, I've talked about this so many times and recommended it so many times because it's a beautiful gel based moisturizer that does not feel heavy or greasy on the skin, but it moisturizes your skin beautifully. Now on normal days, you would just take adequate amount of this to moisturize your skin instantly, but today we are going to be using this as a moisture mask. So you're going to take a little extra to make sure you have a thick layer of this on your skin, and you will apply this about 30 minutes before you're actually going to sit down to do your makeup. So if you're doing your hair before your makeup, then just apply this while you're doing your hair, so your skin can really drink up all of the goodness it needs to make sure that your skin looks plump and hydrated. So if you've had a little dehydrated days, long nights, or if the wedding madness is getting to you, just use this skincare hack to make sure your skin has the time to just recuperate a little bit, look plump, look fresh, look moisturized, and for your makeup to glide on beautifully on top of this. Now let's move on to some makeup hacks, and honestly these are such simple and easy hacks that I feel everyone should know them irrespective of the Shadi season, but especially for the Shadi season. But before that, I have to talk about something very important, especially if you're building your bridal trousseau or if you have a lot of weddings to attend. You need a good eyeshadow palette in your life, a versatile one that can multitask for you in different ways, and my recommendation has to be the Lakmé Rouge Bloom eyeshadow palette. First of all, I love this color story. We have so many different shades in here, but we also have beautiful textures features in here. So we have some glitters, some shimmers, we have beautiful mattes going on, and I'm quickly going to swatch some for you so you can see how pigmented these are, and these are very blendable as well. Just look at how creamily these go on, and they're not patchy whatsoever. But I love how versatile this is. So let's move on to my hacks, and for the first hack, we are actually going to be making our own glowy sunscreen, because not all wedding functions are going to be all about makeup. Some days you just want a fresh looking skin, like for haldi or for mehendi, and this hack will come in very handy dandy. For this, I'm going to use my Lakmé 925 Sun Expert. It has a beautiful lightweight texture that's very easy to wear, and to that I'm going to add a little bit of that sparkler shade. I'm going to scrape a little bit and mix it into my sunscreen. This would make sure that my sunscreen has a very glowy look to it, and I'm going to apply it all over my face to make sure my skin is protected even for day functions, but also has a beautiful beaming glow to it. And now for my last hack, we are going to be making our own cream blush. Now this is great if you've forgotten some of your products, or you're just in a rush and you don't want to open 10,000 different products to do your base, and that's where the versatility of this eyeshadow palette also comes into play, because we have a base shadow in here which is a cream product which makes sure that your makeup becomes very long lasting, because this is supposed to work as an eye primer. So this works well with creasing and all of that, and making sure it is kept at bay. To this, I'm actually going to add the shade Blush, which is a beautiful shade, but you also have different options in here, and you can also make your own cream highlighter with the same method. I'm just going to mix them up and apply it on my skin, and you can see how well this goes. It has a beautiful matte finish that is very long lasting, and it also works great on top of foundation. It does not move your foundation, because base is supposed to work on top of foundation as well. And those were all of the hacks I wanted to share with you guys. I really hope these were helpful for you, and if they are able to make your wedding season even slightly easier, then my job is absolutely done. But let me know your favorite hacks down in the comment section, and I would love to try them out. But definitely check out all of these products. They work great by themselves as well, just in the way they're supposed to be used, but they also work great in the ways that I've shared with you guys. But that's gonna be it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this and found this helpful. If you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.